Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the fire weather briefing for August 30th, 2020. Looking at the weather threat matrix, not too much concerns for fire weather for Monday into Tuesday. Potential for some dry, windy conditions on Wednesday across southwest Montana, and then warming up and drying out by Friday. Why don't we look into the weather guidance real quickly? So what we have here is the 700 millibar wind. So the winds that are about 10,000 feet off the ground. This gives us kind of our gust potential, and then the lines kind of indicate weak disturbances coming through. So tonight we'll actually have a disturbance that will be dropping out of British Columbia down into the Northern Rockies. This will be bringing some widespread precipitation with potential of some beneficial rain across north central Idaho into southwest Montana. I'll go into that a little bit more detail here shortly. And then we kind of stay in this northwesterly flow through the remainder of the week as a ridge of high pressure builds up. A couple areas of concern are some stronger winds moving in Tuesday into Wednesday time frame that could be bringing some gusty concerns across the higher terrain, especially Wednesday morning. And then during the afternoon on Wednesday, some stronger winds mixing with some drier air across southwest Montana. Then, like I said, kind of this weak northwesterly flow as a ridge builds in. Probably our warmest, driest day is probably going to be on Friday. And then there's going to be the potential of another system trying to come down for the weekend, but not a whole lot of confidence in that, and probably not a whole lot of precipitation. So let's go and see what Monday has in store. So what I'm looking at here is the probability of 1/10 of an inch of precipitation. So a wetting rain. What's the probability of receiving a wetting rain? So as you can see, Missoula's got about a 37% chance, Lowell a 48%. But it's really the higher terrain of the Clearwater, Bitterroot Mountains down into Deer Lodge area that has greater than an 80% chance of that wetting rain. Good beneficial precipitation. But confidence is still kind of moderate on this. The system has been digging a little bit farther to the west and south from previous days model runs. So there is a little bit concern that we might not see as much, but as of this recording, it does look like this area could see some decent precipitation. Along with that precipitation, temperatures will be significantly cooler, looking at about 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. And also with that, the relative humidities will be a lot higher. There's actually probably a setup where the maximum RHs tonight will actually be lower than what the humidities will be during the afternoon as that precipitation and moisture makes its way into the region. And then on Wednesday, as I was saying, we are anticipating some gusty winds across the area with the higher terrain across southwest Montana, having gust potential up to about 40 miles per hour. Combining that with humidities dropping down into the mid 20s could create some fire concerns, but hopefully we will get that good beneficial precipitation that will help our fires out. Looking at the 6 to 10 day outlook, even though we'll be under northwesterly flow, it's going to be relatively dry, so not looking for much in the way of any kind of precipitation. And then again, with that ridge building kind of more over the west coast, they have the better chance of that warm temperatures. But with us being on the northwest, we'll maybe just be slightly above normal for this time of year. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at the number on the screen or visit our website or follow us on social media. Thank you.